Hi, it's Julie from One Fresh Meal, and I've got another meal planning tip for you. Since you've already gone and you've planned what you're going to have for the week, you've made your list of meals that you want, the recipes you're going to use, you've made your grocery list and gone and bought the ingredients, you've brought it home, you have everything ready in your refrigerator, you've got your greens washed, and if you need any beans or rice cooked for the week, you've already done all that. But now it's time for you to make your recipes. What you want to do is the night before or the morning that you want to make something is you make sure that you have everything. If you had anything in the freezer, any meat in the freezer or something in the freezer, you want to make sure you've got it out into the refrigerator so that it can be thawed. If you want to go ahead and chop any vegetables that you need, go ahead and do that. So when it comes time for dinner, all you have to do is get everything out of the refrigerator, put it together, and you've got a meal ready in, depending on your recipe, in no time, sometimes 10 to 15 minutes. So that is one planning tip that really comes in handy for having quick, easy, healthy meals every day. So I will be back next week with another meal planning tip. If you have any questions, want any suggestions, just leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And until then, see you later.